Today we're going to make fajitas. First, we're going to marinate the beef with 2 pieces of grinded garlic, cumin, pepper, chili powder, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of soy sauce. Mix it and let it marinate inside of the refrigerator for 1 hour. And now we're gonna cut the top of the red bell pepper and take out the inside. And then cut it into thin slices. And do the same thing for the green bell pepper. Now we're gonna start to cook our beef. Wait for the fry pan to heat up and then put the butter on top. When the butter has melted, put the beef on top and let it cook until it's dry. And now we're gonna mix in the green and red bell pepper. And now we're done making our homemade fajitas. Thanks for watching!